overcoming adversity. There are no handouts. There are no handouts. You're going to have to be able to do the work. You're going to have to be able to hold your own weight when you're performing and working on a project. So here's the thing. I don't teach the middleman strategy. So what I'm talking about here is those of you that come join me in my community, your goal is to make the transition from the private sector and make the move into government contracting. So you guys are already doing work in the private sector or working with other small businesses. You're generating money in your business. You know how to provide the service that you're going to provide. And now you just want to make the move into government contracting and also offer it to the government. So those are the people that I'm talking about here in this video. And I'm talking about the adversity of having to be able to self-perform. So you're providing a service, okay? So you're going to have to be able to self-perform some of the work. All right? That will definitely give you a leg up. And here's the other thing. You don't want to look at it like, okay, you got your SAM registration, you have your certifications, and now the opportunities will come. Well, I just told you the adversity that you're going to face. The other thing is this. If you think about government contracting and the small business program that they have in place for small businesses where you get your certifications, whether you're minority owned, service disabled vet, woman owned, right? They have these programs in place because you are facing adversity as a small business. So therefore they have that program. But also within that program, you get your certifications. That is not enough. Okay. One, you're going to have to be proactive in your approach to government contracting. But two, you're going to have to be able to self-perform some of the work. All right. So make sure you're set up to self-perform some of the work. You're going to have to look at your capacity. You're going to have to look at your ideal client, make sure everything is in alignment. You're able to self-perform some of the work. And then in whatever you're doing, be proactive.